Hello, little guy. What are you doing? What are you doing on my hand? We're gonna take you outside where it's nice and safe. Actually, that's a lie. It's not nice and safe outside. You could get eaten by a bird at any moment.
Put him over.
Rod, can I keep him?
Put him over that side so he's sheltered from this particular northerly.
I'm not gonna keep him. That would be cruel.
He would just die.
He'd die if I kept him.
Put him on the swan plant.
The key's too chunky to... Oh, never mind. Here we go. Hang on, little praying mantis. We'll put you on the swan plant. Here you go. Go. Come on. Go back to where you're camouflage. He's so cute. Or she. I can't tell which gender it is. Who's a cool little guy? Who featured in the Kung Fu Panda movie? You did. Yes, you did.